Good afternoon to all participants. On this occasion, it gives me an immense pleasure in welcoming you all for the validatory session of this online 1 week FDP on trends and challenges on electric vehicles. For the past 4 days, we had different sessions from industries and various institutions, experts sharing their thoughts and views. And today, we are now at present in the validatory session. And today with us, we have Dr. Sudha Mohanram, one of the eminent personality, the guiding factor for the success of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. Dr. Sudha Mohanram is a key person filled with energy, always in the front line, supporting all the faculty members and students in every terms. And today it is really a great pleasure that she is in our midst. And today it gives me an immense pleasure on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering in welcome her for this validatory session. And with this note, I hand over the session to Dr. Sudha Mohanram for addressing the gathering. Madam, the session is yours now.
Good afternoon to all of you. We are very happy to organize this FDP, which is being sanctioned by AACT, and we are also thankful to AACT for granting us this FDP. And a lot of efforts have been taken by the department to organize this program. And the topic is very, very interesting, and it's a need of the hour topic also. Trends and challenges in electric vehicles. Today, Government of India is taking a lot of efforts to introduce electric vehicles, and today we can see there are a lot of electrical vehicles moving in the road also, and now there are a lot of electric vehicle showrooms open, and almost all car manufacturers have come up with their versions of electric vehicles now. So every car manufacturer is focusing on electric vehicles. It started with Tesla, and now if you see, almost all the manufacturers have come up with the electric vehicle version. And even in our college, we have an center of excellence for electric vehicle, and we have also purchased some few electric vehicles. And today, electric vehicles are seen and often in the road. And now the efficiency of electric vehicles are also very high when compared to fuel vehicles. Operating cost is less, and moreover, pollution also is very less. There's almost no pollution with electric cars, and that's why government is promoting electric vehicles. And in future, they are planning for in a bigger way. And this FTP, which is being organized, is definitely going to be an eye opener and would have given a lot of inputs for all the participants. And my special appreciation to the team who have organized this FTP, uh, to Dr. Suresh Kumar, who is HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Satish, and Professor Naveen Prabhu for organizing this FTP in a very professional manner. And the speakers whom they have identified are all of very high level. And for all the 14 sessions which they have planned, for more than 6 sessions, they have invited people from industries, all of high profile and knowledgeable people. And it has started with the Vice President of Mahindra and Mahindra. And Mahindra, they are again pioneers in electric vehicles. And the resource person who has given a lot of input on electric vehicles. And all the speakers whom they have invited are of high level. And the other academic speakers who have come are from reputed institutions like IIT, MNIT, VIT, PhD, Tech. All the resource persons have given a lot of input on electric vehicles. I think this program would have been very useful for you. And again, my appreciation to the team who has organized and all the participants who have involved themselves and in attending this program. I think you all would have got benefited. And I've got some feedback from few participants, and I heard that the program was very useful. So now there are a lot of research opportunities also. So with this input which you have got from this seminar and this FTP program, you can take it forward for your research activities also. And there's a lot of scope for research, and a lot of innovations can happen in electric vehicles since it is booming. And this is one of the right topic also for you to take for the research purpose, and you can get benefited by this. And I thank all of you for participating in this FTP, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, madam, for your kind speech and word of appreciation. And really, it is a word of appreciation that really improvises our energy and the spirit of doing the carrying forward the things in a much professional way. And today, now this is the time where I have to summarize the entire report of this 5 days program, what we have came across. Now, this FDP on trends and challenges in electrical vehicle was started on 20th September, and it was a 5 days program, so it is extended up to 24th September. Each day was planned with three sessions, and on 20th September we had the first session, which is electric vehicle and introduction by Dr. Shankar Venugopal, who is working as Vice President, Mahindra and Mahindra, Chennai. And the second session of day one was covered on the topic architecture design for electric vehicle, which was addressed by Dr. Praveen Kumar, Professor, Department of EEE, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. The third section of day one was on the topic electric drives and its control, addressed by Dr. Lenin, Professor, Head Electrical Machines from VIT, Chennai campus. And the second day was covered with the first session on the topic drives control selection and requirement by Dr. Anand, Professor from PSG Tech, Coimbatore. The second session for day two was covered on the topic electric vehicle design aspect of motors, which was a session addressed by an industrial person, much experienced one, Dr. Deepak Arbogam, who is working as electromagnetic design engineer at E-Propelled Systems Private Limited, Chennai. The last session of day two was on vehicle to grid technology power converters, addressed by Dr. Tirumurthy, Professor EEE, working in Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. The third day was commenced with the session one on distributed control for microgrid, addressed by Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Professor of Electrical Engineering, Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur. Followed with that, we had second session on PFC rectifier and DC-DC converter technology, addressed by industry resource person, Mr. Raj Kumar, who is working as Senior Application Engineer, VI Solutions, Bangalore. The last session on day three was on the topic energy storage systems, again addressed by resource person Raj Kumar, Senior Application Engineer in VI Solutions, Bangalore. The fourth day session was started with the topic battery thermal management system, addressed by Lakshmi Narasimhan, Associate Professor, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai. The second session of day 4 was on the topic EV charging and control, addressed by Febin Daya, Dr. Febin Daya, who is working as professor in School of Electrical Engineering, VIT University, Chennai campus. The third session for day 4 was on the topic protection and safety measures, addressed by Mr. Mohan Raj Ramsamy, the founder of one of the e-vehicle manufacturing company located in Coimbatore. The product that comes into the market in and around Coimbatore in India under the brand name of Prana. And the last day, today we had the first session on testing and certification, addressed by the industry resource person, Mr. Venkatesalu, who is working as mechanical design and development engineer in research and development in Genetics India Private Limited. And then we had, most importantly, a session that gives us a motivational factor to overcome all the stresses and the negative energy what we are having inside us. And that is the most important need and requirement of today's world, where everyone is running fast. And that session was covered on emotional intelligence, addressed by Professor Tirupati. who is working in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. And now presently, we are gathered here for this validatory function where we just right now we had a wonderful session addressed by our beloved principal madam, Dr. Sudha Mohan Rao. So this is the report of today's the 5 days program of faculty development program, and we had a total participants of 124 count, and we approved 123 participants for this AICTE sponsored FDP, and we had 97 participants actively participating, attending all the sessions. So it is you, the participants, who have made this session a wonderful and a great success. So always we are grateful to you for showing your love and affection and dedication and sparing your time, listening patiently to all the resource persons and raising up the queries whenever the session was open for questionnaires. And I always say to my student that knowledge is the only one beautiful thing that is one of the most blessed moment, because knowledge is the only thing that can be shared across without any constraint. And that is why whenever we find a mode or a platform where we can share the things or thoughts, that is very much appreciated by all. And today, all of us participants are from the same platform. Everyone are belonging to faculty group or industry where you are doing in research. Even though you are in industry, you may be into research. Though we may be into education, into teaching, we will be also into research. So that somehow every one of us have been linked into a specific domain. And that's why this platform of knowledge sharing is unique and is very beautiful. So it's my one of the most important moment of my life, that the dedication and the support what you have shown in making this FDP a grand success is really appreciable. And with these words, I now open up the session for feedback, because we are very much open to the feedback. Therefore, I kindly request the participants to give your feedback. You please open up your mic and video, and please share your feedback to us so that we can improvise ourselves. And after the feedback, we will be having a snapshot session where all the participants will be requested to open up your video so that we can have a snapshot. That is after the feedback. Now the session is open for feedback. Please proceed.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. This is
Good afternoon,
Gopinath
sir.
from St. Joseph College of Engineering from Chennai.
We
So
welcome
first
you,
of
sir.
all, I would like to thank HOD and all coordinators to share the knowledge to FDP program. So it is all the sections, they're very informative sections actually to develop EV. So when you are going to develop electric vehicle, so it is very informative, all the sections, all sections. And new learning means yesterday, so what is that? Resource persons explained some softwares, abuse software. So it is a very informative section to me. So once again, thank you to giving now opportunity to attend the program. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Gopinath sir, for your feedback. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Raj Shivakumar, head of the department, EEE, Soda College of Technology, Salem.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, we are very happy in congratulating the 1 week FDP conducted on e-vehicles. And the main thing is that, the sub-components are well structured and it is uniformly distributed. And of course, we faculties and we the HODs in the colleges are very busy, and so also yourself, continuously attending the classes is very difficult. So, but this e-vehicle, because we have personal interest, and we also conducted two such e-vehicle programs and, and webinars already on electrical vehicles. And I was personally find most time in attending these e-vehicles, to learn new technology and other things. Even though we are well versed in electrical vehicle in organizing other things, some of the seminars were very useful, and hope we thought that to contact Asia College for further any clarifications required. So in general, we are more thankful to the committee members for organizing this webinar, this 1 week FDP. We hope so in future we can attend more programs conducted by Ishwar College. So from Sona College, once again, thank you for organizing this FDP, and happy that I am also part of this FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, Shivakumar sir, for your kind words. And we're looking forward for your continuous support in near future also. Thanks a lot.
Good afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Good
you.
afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Arpuda Mary, a research scholar from VIT Institute of Technology, Chennai campus. First of all, I would like to thank the organization for conducting the emerging and booming trends and challenges on the electrical vehicle. In this Atal-sponsored webinar, all the resource persons have sponsored a valuable concept and techniques in terms of electrical vehicle. Also, they have clearly explained about the drives and control used in EVs and the storage system and the management system, as well as the software oriented things like LabVIEW, Multisim, and the industrial expert talks. First of all, the main thing is about the final session is about the emotional intelligence. They have stated so many things. Love yourself. This is shall to pass, and there's so many things which are very useful in our life, that too during this pandemic. Once again, hearty congratulations to the organization as well as all the team members. Thank you so much for the wonderful opportunity.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, I'm Deepa from Coimbatore, Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. About this FDP, it is since EV is very trending nowadays. We have to gain more and more about knowledge on EV. So all the experts invited for this session is wonderful. They have shared the vast information about the electrical vehicles regarding designs, power charging, drives, and even power handling, energy storage. So we got vast information. All the experts are well expertise in all the fields. So very happy for joining hands in this FDP. And I thank Sri Ishwar Engineering College, Mechanical Department faculty, those who are coordinated well. I really appreciate the time management is well done, well planned. So I'm very happy to join in this FDP. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Deepa, for your kind
Good afternoon,
words.
sir.
Good
This is
afternoon,
Rajiv
sir.
Priyan from King's College of Engineering.
Welcome you,
I
sir.
have attended the program from the beginning itself. We have 3 members from King's College of Engineering has attended the program. So my thinking is, in our home we have a vehicle. That means that is used for handicapped vehicle. We are trying to purchase it for a long days, but we got a vehicle which having a smaller things. That means it can be operated in simple mechanism, but we paid a cost of nearly 1 lakh rupees. They are simply assembling everything from the China's Max. They are collecting materials and assemble and give it as for our use. So what I am going to tell this is, lot of engineers are here. So we are having lot of disabled persons in our world. So try to make some other things to help them in a advanced mode. So we are learning IoT and other things, IoT and electronics materials and so many things. We are using smaller components and sensor materials and everything. So I am paying 1 lakh rupees for the vehicle, but it didn't have any good facilities. Recently, Anna University launched a vehicle. So I am learning this already I learned one course. It's my second course. So I am highly interested in this course. I appreciate the organizers. They are giving very cooperation and all the lectures giving very good lectures. I hope these lectures help me to invent some more things. And not only for me, here so many professors attended this workshop. So I hope they will give some innovative ideas to their students. So I hope this adult course must helpful in that way. So if it's possible, it will be a successful one. Thank you, organizers. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Rajapriyan sir, for your thoughts, and definitely we will consider, and it is really a thought provoking, and we appreciate that in this moment you have registered that, and probably we may find a time to execute the same in the days to come, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, myself Sadanand Kumar Malik, and I am posted as an assistant professor in Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. First of all, I would like to wish all the participant coordinators, and I would like to thank to all the experts that they have delivered their valuable lecture to aware us about the electric vehicles. Actually, I am not from the engineering background, but I belongs to the basic science physics department. But actually, the lithium cell, which explained in this overall session, it was a very interesting topic for physics also. And during the whole session, actually, I am very much inspired from the lecture of Professor Praveen Kumar and also Dr. Fabin as well, because their explanation technique was very good. And one thing that was explained by Dr. Fabin, that the wireless charging of electric vehicle, actually that concept is very much interesting, because the electric vehicle gets charged with the magnetic fluxes. It was a good thing for wireless charging. And at the last session, as Professor Trimurti was explained that about the some spiritual matter. Actually, it is a very good thing to involve this type of session in each and every FDP. It will aware us to live a healthy and very prosperity life in our daily life, because we have faces very much problem. So thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Sadanand sir, thank you for your feedback. We're really honored to have you from such a long place, Bhopal. And really, it is very encouraging for us, because when we feel and when we find participants for such a long distance, it really gives us a motivation factor directly. And so so I definitely, on behalf of the department, I personally thank you for spending your precious time in attending this.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Any other participants who want to give their feedback, they can also post their views in the chat box. So if there are any views or information that is good for us to rectify, to fine tune ourselves in terms of continuous improvement, that is all appreciated and welcome from all aspects. So now this is the moment where we are opening up for a snapshot. So I kindly request all the participants to switch on your cameras so that we can have a snapshot, please. Satish. Sorry. I kindly request other participants to also switch on your videos just for taking up cameras to just take up a snapshot for all the participants, please. I could find, yeah, thank you, sir. Gautam, sir, please. Thank you very much. Saravanan, sir. Shafina Karim. That's awesome, sir. Now we are going for the snapshot, please. Save.
Sir, one request, sir. So when you going to send exam link, sir?
Yes,
If
sir.
you
Just
can
now,
possibly just send to mail ID, sir. Better,
sir, in a few seconds, you will be having the questionnaire link in the chat
Okay,
box,
sir.
sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay,
In a
okay.
few minutes. Satish, please kindly post the questionnaire link now. Now you can find the questionnaire link in the chat box, sir, and also the feedback link in the chat box.
Okay,
So that you can go ahead with the proper formalities, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
And once again, I extend my sincere thanks for contributing your precious time and
Yes.
joining with us, sir, and
Thank you,
being
sir.
with
Thank
us
you.
to make this FTP a grand successful.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot and have a good day. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
And now I am going to present the formal vote of thanks for this faculty development program. At the outset, I would like to extend our sincere thanks on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, to AICT Atal for providing us with an opportunity to host this wonderful 1 week online sponsored faculty development program on trends and challenges in electric vehicles. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the management of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering and our principal, Dr. Sudha Mohan Ram, for providing the approval to proceed ahead with all sort of requirements that are relevant in hosting this program in online platform. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the participants across this nation who have given their time, their precious time in joining the session and raising up the queries, listening to all the sessions carefully. And I once again thank all the participants for the sacrifice and the devotion of time what they have given unto us. It really makes us proud to be connected with you all. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the resource persons, starting from high profile people to industry people and various professors from reputed institutes like IITs, MNIT, VIT, and PSG Tech, Kumaraguru College of Technology for sharing their views and knowledge in this particular platform across the nation. And I once again remember to thank all the technicians who are working at the back end so that this program can be hosted without any technical issues across the nation. I would like to extend every single person who are working on this platform right now, all the technical staffs, and extend my sincere thanks from my bottom of heart on behalf of the department. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all those who have indirectly contributed for the grand success of this event. Praying to God that on another mode, in another occasion, definitely we are going to join hands together to have another episode of such wonderful faculty development program in near future. Till then, this is Dr. R. Suresh Kumar, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering from Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, signing off from this faculty development program. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Thank you.